Hello, my most amazing artist. It's your teacher, Miss Clark, and I'm here today to show you guys how to create your very own coloring sheet inspired by the artist Chris Uphues. Now, what you're going to need, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need something to draw with. The paper, it could be a white piece of paper, it could be a lined piece of paper, it could even be a piece of newspaper. It's up to you and what you have around. The next thing you're going to need is something to draw with. Now, I'm using a Sharpie because I want you guys to see the lines from on the screen, but you guys do not need to use a Sharpie. What you can use is a pencil, a pen, a crayon, a marker, whatever you have around. And when you're done, you guys can go ahead and add some super cool colors with whatever you have at home. Because again, it's a coloring sheet. That's what you gotta do. Draw the lines, then go ahead and add your color. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Because we're learning about the artist Chris Uphues, who is a contemporary artist who loves to draw hearts with silly faces, like look how cute that is! The first step is going to be to draw a heart. To draw a heart, there's a few different ways. The first way is to go ahead and start and draw one side of the heart going up and over. And because it's a symmetrical shape, or the same on both sides, just flipped, go to the other side and draw it all the way up and over, going back down to create your heart. Boom, I got a heart. The next thing you guys can do is you could draw a heart by doing two bumps, just like this, up and over, and then connecting them with two lines. You do not have to do this way, it's just to show you another way to draw a heart. If you know a better way, go ahead and give it a try. Remember, you're the artist. Alright, once I have my two hearts, what I want to do is I'm going to try something called overlapping for some of you super expert drawers. Now, to do an overlap, what you do is you want to pretend that you have a heart behind another heart. So I have this heart here, I want to draw one next to it. So to draw one, I'm just going to draw a heart that starts on the same line and goes down and over and kind of tucks behind. See how my lines stop when I get to the other heart? Do you see how this heart looks like he's kind of like hiding behind this big heart? That's called overlapping. Now, once you're done, you don't have to do overlapping, by the way. Once you're done, I want you guys to go through and draw some more hearts. Now, it is up to you with how many hearts you want to have on your coloring sheet. So you guys could add 2 hearts, you guys could add 10 hearts, you guys could add 15 hearts. You could have big hearts, you could have little hearts, medium-sized hearts, or maybe you want some super little tiny baby hearts. It's up to you. I draw a baby heart. Look how cute. Alright, once you have your hearts, the next step, just like the artist Chris Uphues, is to go ahead and add some silly faces. Because if you guys look back at this paper, he likes to draw hearts with silly faces. Now, I'm going to show you how to draw a few different silly faces on my paper. You do not have to draw the same silly faces. If you want to go ahead and pause the video right now, you guys can go ahead and draw any type of face you want. Maybe you want a surprised heart. Maybe you want a happy heart. Maybe you want a scared heart. Maybe you want I don't know, maybe this is you as a heart. It's up to you. Or maybe you have a cat heart or a dog heart. Again, it's up to you. Alright, so for my hearts, I'm always going to start, draw a quick mouth. This one's going to have an open mouth. Add a nose. Add an eye. Just like that. Fill in that eye. Now notice I left a little white spot because I want to show the reflection of the eye. Make them super cute, but again, it is up to you. Go through, draw those hearts. Maybe I want some closed eyes. Ooh, maybe I want to add some eyelashes. It is up to you. Now I know right now I'm drawing really fast for you guys to draw along with me, but I really, really would like you guys to go ahead and try some of your own designs. Think about what you want your hearts to look like. You don't need to copy my hearts. This is my paper. That's your paper. Look at that one. He looks like he's sleeping, like he's snoring. Maybe I want to add some little Z's next to it. You can have fun, you can add extra things. Maybe you even want to go back and add one with a bow or a hat. I'm okay with that. Make it fun. Alright, almost almost done. Oh, I forgot my baby heart. I'm just gonna give him little polka dot eyes because, there we go. See a little baby heart? Yeah, I included him. All right, guys, once you're done, the next step, because we have our hearts and our silly faces, just like the artist Chris Uphues, what I want you to do is I want you to remember the background. Whenever you are drawing, the background is the picture or what's behind your main objects. So our main things are going to be these hearts right here. The background is what's behind them. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some stripes at the top of the page. And personally, that means what I would do is I would go through and I would turn this into like a rainbow showing in the background. And I'm again going to use what is called overlapping, meaning I'm going to take the line, draw it all the way to a heart, stop, skip over, because we don't want that line going through the heart's head. The rainbow doesn't go over him, it goes behind him, because it's the background, and continue on the other side. So watch how I do that. I start, draw a line, stop, skip over, continue on the other side, stop, skip over, continue on the other side. Just like that. If you want to add more lines, if you want to add less lines, it is completely up to you. I'm going to go ahead and add one more line, and then I think I'm going to be done. But if you guys want to add something different to your background, you're welcome to. Maybe instead of having the rainbow, you want to go through and add some clouds, or you want to add a little sun, or maybe you want to give it a ground, or maybe you just want to go draw polka dots in the background, or you can leave it blank. It's up to you. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed drawing a super cool coloring sheet with me, Miss Clark. I'm excited to see what you guys have created, so if you want to share a photo, feel free to email it to me. Have a good day.